G'day traders, 1 minute mindset resets. Today we're talking about focusing on the long game. A lot of great opportunities last week, challenging markets in different sessions. And the one thing that I always emphasize to traders is to focus on the long-term big picture. Focus on where you want to be in 12 months in terms of your, not only your skill set, but your capital, your trading business, your confidence, and your ability to have elevated to another level in terms of your execution on trade setups, knowing what a best trade setup is, knowing where the odds are skewed in your favor, and there's, reinforcing no certainties, only possibilities. But there are 90-10 possibilities, and even in challenging markets, we still had opportunities to double or triple your risk on a trade setup. So a lot of traders, frustrated, and that's partly because you're pushing the boundaries on where you want to be yourself right now, where you want your trading account to be, where you want your size to be in terms of the type of size that you're trading. And those are often the errors that will force you into over trading, force you into over leveraging, force you into taking impulsive trades, and forcing you to lose the perspective of what it is exactly that you're trying to do. And whether that be to replace your income, whether it's to get to the next level. If you're already at a certain level with your trading, you want to take it to another level. 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, whatever that may be. The understanding of where you're at and what it is that you're looking for when you go to the markets. So a lot of traders still in that unconscious, not quite in that unconscious competence stage where you automatically recognize what a setup should be. You're still trying to mechanically decipher what that is and then take a trade and hope that it turns out. And so the next level for that understanding is to be in a state of unconscious competence. And that's where you're not even thinking about it. It's like an athlete with a finely honed skill. It's programmed into your nervous system so deeply ingrained that there's not a thought process involved because it's automatic. You know what it is. You know when you need to step on the gas with a trade. You know when you need to cut a trade. You know you need to add size into more because it's not coming back and it's going to keep going. Different things, but that comes with time, comes with screen time, but it also comes with having mastered yourself and your emotional state. And it's important that you don't stay in the limbic brain. So limbic, if you go up and look up that definition, it's the most primitive level of function in survival. You need to get to the next elevated part of your brain where you have evolved. You've evolved into a higher state of understanding, performance, and execution in live market times. And that's critical in terms of evolving to the next level because it doesn't happen by luck. You can get lucky on some trades, you can get lucky on a few trades, but repeating that cycle, bad behavior, impulsive behavior, emotional behavior, repeats the destructive self-sabotaging cycle of blowing up a trading account. But in order to take it to the next level, requires evolution, evolving to a higher state of thinking and performance in live times. Focusing on the long-term game, focusing on the long game, not over leveraging on any one particular trade. But as your performance and your results dictate, scaling up in size. Then understanding what session trades are for scalps. Scalps can still be relative from one trader to another, sizable. And then there's your 5-star opportunities, high of week, low of week, low of day, high of week, high of week, low of day. It could be 5 to 1, 10 to 1, in some cases even 20 to 1, especially if we're at the high of a month, high of a week. And this may become the first red week after a high of week to low of week trade opportunity heading into the new week. Elevate your performance to an unconscious state of competence and take your trading to the next level. Focus on the long-term gains, trader. We'll guarantee we'll have best trade setups this week. We're going to have fantastic opportunities. It never ceases. It never stops. It's the nature of markets to shift the money from the many to the few. Have a great day, traders. Enjoy your weekend. Get out for a workout. Enjoy your day. 1% better every single day. to make markets go with you.